In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product template in Shopify. This is really useful if you want different product pages for different kinds of products, like pre-orders, bundles, or special collections, without messing up your main product layout. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a new product template you can customize separately from your default one. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed. Find the theme you're actively using for your storefront and click the button that allows you to edit it. This is usually labeled something like Customize or Edit Theme, and it will open the theme editor where you can manage how your store looks. Once the theme editor loads, focus on the top bar of the screen. There's a page selector there that usually defaults to the home page. Click on that drop-down. You'll see different types of pages you can edit, such as home, collections, and products. From this list, choose products. As soon as you click products, you should see additional options appear, typically including default product and an option to create template. Go ahead and click create template. A pop-up window will appear asking you to define the new template. In the field for the template name, type a clear descriptive name. For example, you might use something like product pre-order or product bundle. The key thing here is to avoid spaces in the name. Use dots or hyphens instead so Shopify can handle the template correctly. Below the name field, you'll see a section labeled Based On. Make sure this is set to default product. That means your new template will start as a copy of your existing product layout, and you can adjust it from there. When you're ready, click the Create Template button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. After a moment, Shopify will create your new template, and you'll see it listed under the Products section in the page selector. From here, you can customize this new template independently, changing sections, layout, or content blocks without affecting your original default product template. This lets you tailor specific product experiences while keeping your main layout safe and unchanged.